welcome to Autos Play, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the modern modified 2025 Fiat 4H vehicle that blends vintage charm with modern enhancements while preserving its classic essence. At the front, the Fiat 4 horsepower maintains its timeless appeal with a redesigned grille that pays homage to its heritage while incorporating a refined honeycomb pattern. Round LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights offer a striking yet nostalgic look. The revised bumper features subtle air vents to improve airflow without compromising the car's vintage-inspired aesthetic. A sculpted hood with soft contours enhances the depth of the design, while polished brass accents add sophistication and character. From the side, the Fiat 4 horsepower presents an elegant yet compact profile that reflects both its historic roots and contemporary refinements. Smooth body lines and gently curved fenders capture a sense of motion while maintaining the simplicity of its original design. It rides on 15-inch wire spoke wheels with a polished finish, enhancing its classic appeal. The folding canvas roof preserves the open-top driving experience, while vintage-style side mirrors and chrome-trimmed door handles bring attention to the intricate details that define this modernized classic. At the rear, the fusion of past and present continues with elegantly crafted circular LED taillights that retain the vehicle's historic identity. A subtly revised rear bumper includes a polished skid plate and a single chrome exhaust tip, adding a refined performance element. The rear-mounted spare wheel remains a signature feature, while a discreet high-mounted stop lamp improves visibility. The vintage Fiat emblem is carefully integrated, reinforcing its iconic status. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between classic craftsmanship and modern technology. Premium hand-stitched leather seats with contrast piping offer a blend of comfort and sophistication. A digital analog instrument cluster preserves the traditional dial layout while incorporating a modern display for essential vehicle data. The dashboard features wood grain and brass accents, seamlessly merging old-world charm with contemporary functionality. A compact infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, USB port, and smartphone integration ensures a connected driving experience. The three-spoke vintage-style steering wheel with integrated controls adds convenience while maintaining a period-correct aesthetic. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat 4 horsepower is powered by a compact yet efficient 1.0 liters turbocharged engine, delivering 75 horsepower and 120 Newton-meters of torque. A lightweight chassis and a 5-speed manual transmission provide an engaging driving experience. An advanced fuel injection system optimizes efficiency, while an optional mild hybrid setup further enhances performance and sustainability. For more exciting automotive updates, don't forget to subscribe to Autos Play.